Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make carrot juice the Haitian way. Growing up, my grandma used to make this juice for me. It's very delicious and very easy to make. All you need is some really good sweet organic carrots. I have about 25 pounds there. First thing you do, you wash them very well and soak them in some water. That way you remove all the soil, all the dirt from it. After you do that, you're gonna you can either cut it with a knife, but I like using this. It makes it so much easier, and that way it's not messing up the blender. So I'm gonna blend all of it together with about 2 cups of filtered water. So you need some good water. You need some brown sugar and some vanilla extract. And oh, we almost forgot the lime juice. Lime juice gives it a really nice flavor. So you see, and I also leave the skin on because the skin has a lot of good vitamins and minerals. So I always leave it on. Now, guys, I'm just blended the carrots. I'm gonna put it in the strainer. This strainer, I use it for juice only. You can also use a juicer, but I just find this process easier. Sometimes there's so many pieces that you have to clean with the juicer. So, and it's late. It's like what, 2 in the morning now. So I don't have time for that. All right. So you can use something to like extract the juice, like a cup, a clean cup. So far, this is what we have. And then we're gonna add the lime juice. If you prefer lemon, you can add lemon, but I like it. My grandma used to make it with lime juice. I've never tried it with lemon juice. And we used about 10 carrots, and I'm adding 3 lime. I'm squeezing juice from 3 limes. Sometimes when they are making, we call it lemonade, even though we use lime. I guess the lime, I don't know. Sometimes they just let leave the skin in there. But make sure you wash it before you do that. It just gets all the juice, gives it more flavor, I guess. Okay. Now we're gonna add some brown sugar. We're not gonna leave it overnight like those things here. After that, I'm gonna squeeze more juices out of them. All right, now I'm going to add the vanilla extract. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon. And that's it. That's easy. And you just mix this together. And you know, you add sugar to taste. That's a clean spoon. That's really good. Now, guys, this is the final stage of the carrot juice. So delicious and very healthy for you. This is so good. It is so much better when you make it with organic carrots, because when you make it with the other carrots, it has a bitter taste. I tried making it last night with with just regular carrots. And my husband was like, well, he did drink it, but this one, like, he had like 2 or 3 cups. Um, oh, this is so good. And the lime juice gives it a nice flavor as well. Anyways, guys, I hope you try this recipe. Carrots juice the Haitian way.